Okay. So, ato'y continue ang ato ang example sa lessor perspective. Okay, for this illustration is what if unequal rental payments. Na unequal rental payments dili same ang pagbayad sa rent. So, if ingani nga situation, no, of course, in our atong discussion last, if unequal ang payment, nakabutang ba din wala siya nakabutang. Wala siya nakabutang. Okay, so let's continue our discussion then ng example, which is the unequal rental payments. So for this example, as we have discussed pod, no, sa una, that even if there is unequal rental payments, the total rental received shall be uniformly recognized as income over the lease term. So meaning, kailangan ng rent income nga ato ang i-record, no, or ma-receive is dapat uniform siya or parehas ra gid siya, no, over the lease term. So dili pwede mag kapare-parehas even if ang rental payments is dili the same. So that's why mangita ta or atong pangitaon ang average annual rental niya, and then that will be considered as the rental received, or the rent income that we received every every year, no, until the lease term. So kailangan uniform gid siya, dili siya pwede nga dili siya magparehas. As nasa tong standards na kabutang nga kailangan uniform siya. So for this illustration, para mas masabtan, si Gold Company nag list siya or nagparent sa office building to another entity for 3 years, no. Begin January 1, start ang lease term or lease transaction January 1. Under the terms of agreement, rent for the first year is 1.8 million and rent for the next 2 years is at 2.250 million annually. So as we can see, now dili siya equal since the first year is 1.8 and the second and third year is 2.250 million. No? However, now si Gold, iyagig grant sa si Leslie nga libre ang first 6 months. So, dili sa kuno niya pabayron, no, sa 6 months si um, si Leslie. So, para makuha nato ng average annual rental, so of course, instead nga 1.8 million, since gi free gani niya ang kuan ang 6 months, so meaning one half na lang, di ba? One half na lang sa usa ka tuig ang bayaran ni Leslie sa iyaha. O 6 months na lang. Because the first 6 months is libre ra lagi. So pila gyud ay ang na dawat ni lessor kang Leslie. So of course, pwede ra nato na i-divide, no, sa duha since one half man pod, no? One half sa 12 is 6, so 6 months. So pwede nato na siya diretso i-divide ang 1.8 million sa 2. That is why 900,000. Pero what if nang dili, of course, no, pwede natin i-divide kung pila ka months and divide sa 12, mao magyapon na siya. Or just simply divide na lang guna sa 12 ang 1.8 million in times kung pila ka months. Like for example, lang 7 months, di ba? So, kuha na lang nato ang pila ang every month, di ba? 1.8 million divided by 12 meaning 150,000 yung bayaran every month. And then if 7 months lang, no, 7 months lang yung bayaran, and then 1,050,000. But in this case, 6 months, di ba? 6 months. So, 900,000 lang ang bayaran ni Leslie kang lessor sa ato, kay kita si lessor. So that is why 900,000 ang payment nga na-receive yun nato. That is why 500,000 plus payment sa next 2 years equals 5.4. And then since tulo man na siya, tulo ka payment period, that's why i-divide nato siya sa 3, of course. So the 1.8 million is our average annual rental. And also mo itong gamiton as rent income as you observe. So, 1.8 million, 1.8 million, and third year is also 1.8 million. So, Dave, even if 900,000, free ang iyahang pinakauna, free 6 months, dili na ba to bayran ni Leslie ang kulang? Like 900,000 mo na gid na yung bayaran, and the answer is no. No. The other or the excess amount or katong amount nga wala gibayran nga gilis nga free sa siya will be treated as receivable, as we can see, receivable siya. And ayan, so actually dali naman kini siya. Kay butang natong rent income pila ang na-receive, and i-minus na lang na sila duha mo na ang receivable, as we can see. So of course naka-debit na siya, no? Naka-debit na siya since natay receivable, and then throughout the year diyan nato siya ma-earn, no? Diyan nato siya ma-earn ang rent receivable. Second year pilang nadawatan? Is it 1.8? No, it is not 1.8. Ang iyan nadawatan is 2.250 million. That's why we debit cash. We debit cash. And again, pilang rent income? Of course, ang rent income na to is 1.8. That's our average annual rental, and our standards says na kailangan uniform ang rent income nga to ang record. So that is why parehas siya tanan. So ang pilang nadawatan gyud 2.250, pilang rent income 1.8, and then the difference is mo na siya ang na-earn na to nga receivable. So ano, wala ayo na kayo mo paghuna na i-minus lang na siya, pero ano, dili naman sad ta pang tanan about sa journal entry, pero minus na lang na ang cash og rent income, and mo na ang part sa receivable nga na-earn na to this year, no, sa second year. So for the third year, since same raman siya, so mura, no? Same ra siya 2.250. 2.250 ato nadawatan, pilang rent income, no? Dapat uniform 1.8, and then the receivable nga na earned sa third year is 450,000. So mura to siya.